In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Apollo to capture your sales activities easily. This integration will help streamline your sales process by recording and managing your activities effectively using both platforms. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to the HubSpot user guide page. This is your starting point for accessing and setting up new integrations. Once you're on the HubSpot dashboard, look for the icon that might say User Guide or something similar. It's usually available on the home page or in the main navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Now, once you've accessed the user guide, the next step is to click on the Marketplace. Think of the Marketplace as the HubSpot store where you can find and add numerous apps to extend the functionality of your HubSpot environment. It's easy to spot with its shopping cart icon, and it's an incredibly useful feature for accessing integrations like the one we're setting up today. Once inside the Marketplace, we'll need to choose Apps from the available tabs. You'll find this option on the top menu within the Marketplace interface. Clicking here will take you to a list of all the available apps that you can integrate with HubSpot. It's a bustling marketplace with countless tools and functionalities, so navigating to the Apps section helps narrow things down. Next up, in the search bar, type in Apollo. The search bar is typically located at the top right corner of the screen, and it's a straightforward tool to quickly locate the app you're looking for. Typing Apollo will filter the results, surfacing the integration we're aiming to set up today. Keep an eye out for the Apollo Enrichment app. That's the one we need. When you see Apollo Enrichment in the search results, you'll want to click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can get more information about the app and what it can do. It provides an enrichment of your sales data, optimizing how you manage leads and track your interactions across platforms. Finally, to bring Apollo into your HubSpot experience, look for the Install App button on the Apollo Enrichment page. Clicking this will prompt the installation process, possibly requiring you to confirm permissions or log in to your respective accounts. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the integration. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Apollo with your HubSpot platform. This setup will now help you manage your sales activities more efficiently, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your digital workspace. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!